Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and this channel is about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and trends. In today's video in particular, we're going to be discussing this lovely bag here because this video was highly requested by you guys. You all wanted to know how many bags do I have in my collection, whether I have any regrets or any favorites. So I decided to start with this particular one and share with you my honest opinion on that, to share with you every little thing I know about this bag, some pros and cons. So without further ado, let's get started. I decided to start with this particular bag just because this is my most worn and my favorite bag from my collection. I have it over 2 years now and I'm ready to report that I haven't had any issues with this bag so far. I know a lot of you guys wanted to buy this bag but was hesitant, but let me reassure you, I will share some pros and cons about this bag, and in case if you're wondering or if you want to purchase this bag anytime soon. Price and the value of this bag is absolutely insane because I've bought it for 1800 euro back then, but now the price is over 2000, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check it. I'll put the price here. Price per wear is great as well, although keep in mind this bag is not made out of leather. It's a pure canvas and some fabric inside. The only leather pieces we do have here is a handle, is this little part on the lock, the side parts here, and probably this branding tag here. Now let's talk about the pros of this bag, and it has a lot of them, to be honest. As I told you before, this bag is made out of very sturdy, famous Louis Vuitton canvas, which makes this bag absolutely durable and resistant against all the scratches and marks and color transfers, so you can literally wear it with everything and you don't have to worry about any stains or any dirt whatsoever. The second great thing about this bag, it has a very spacious back pocket, zip pocket. It's very easily accessible and you just can have your receipts, your cards, your phone in here. Anything that can come in handy you can keep here. I think it's just super convenient and great in general. Despite being so small, sort of satchel bag, it's actually very roomy. It has 3 compartments in here. The first one and the biggest one is the middle section, which really fits a lot. You can put mini iPad, your phone, your makeup, some miscellaneous items, and it still be half full. So it has a second compartment which is a bit smaller and a very small side pocket in here, which I prefer to use for my documents, my passports and all that kind of miscellaneous items that can come in handy. The third great thing about this bag, it has a wonderful shoulder strap which is adjustable, so depending on your heights and depending on your needs, this strap is very sturdy. It's not very soft. It didn't soften with age, and I find it quite useful at times, although I prefer to carry this bag as a top handle bag, but sometimes when I'm on the go I just like to throw it on and use as a crossbody bag. I think it's quite convenient. Despite the fact that I like this bag dearly, I have some cons to mention to you guys in case if you want to purchase the bag. So the main issue I have with this bag so far is the closure, the lock itself. Sometimes when your bag is half full, it's quite tricky to open and shut it. I mean, yeah, when I have this bag in my lap, it's not a problem to shut it, but when you're on the go and you don't have like two hands available, it's quite tricky to open and shut it. And when you carry it like this, it looks untidy, to be honest. And that's the main issue with this bag. Some people say that they have problems with this piece of leather here, that they have some wear and tear here. So far I don't have any issues with this. The stitching is also perfect, and yeah, so far wearing it almost every single day, I don't have much to report. But I think it all depends on the season when you buy this bag, because sometimes they do different types of canvas and different types of leather in here. But overall I have nothing bad to say about this bag. I think this bag is wonderful, and it was like the best investment so far, because the price per wear is incredible. I love it, I enjoy using it, and this is my #1 bag to use in my collection. Now, if you have any questions left regarding this bag, do let me know in the comment section down below, and I will happily answer every single one of them. I really hope that this video was quite informative and you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will definitely be posting a lot more of these type of videos about the bags, about the bag collection, about the particular fails and sort of regrets and favorites, that's for sure. So yeah, I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys.